Health Department tells me for months they've been working on vaccination education awareness. And in just a few weeks, they'll be opening up a mass vaccination site here in Kern County. Now, on Thursday, I spoke with them and they told me everything you need to know to see if the vaccine is right for you.
Let's not forget, we are still in the middle of a pandemic. We are hopeful that the vaccines are going to help us slow the spread of this disease in our community, but we still need everyone to practice all of those healthy habits.
According to the Public Health Department, there are currently 43 different community providers currently administering COVID-19 vaccines in Kern County to those who qualify.
This is in accordance with the state guidelines. All 3 tiers of Phase 1A are currently eligible. In addition to that, anybody 65 and older is now eligible.
Michelle Corson, the public relations officer for Kern County Public Health, wants to remind residents the vaccine itself is free, but depending on where you receive it could determine other additional fees. And she also adds that a huge vaccination site is on the way.
Next Wednesday, to do our soft launch at the Kern County Fairgrounds for what is going to become a mass vaccination site. It is not open to the public next week. We can't say the date that it will be open to the public. These are pre-designated groups so that we can start small and get our system in place.
And if you are considering the vaccine, the health department says there are a few things to keep in mind. First, none of the approved vaccines have the live virus that contains COVID-19, meaning the vaccine cannot make you sick with COVID. Second, once vaccinated, you will not test positive for COVID-19. And third, if you've already had COVID, you should still get vaccinated because according to the CDC, due to the severe health risk associated with COVID-19, reinfection with the COVID-19 virus is possible.
Folks are going to find when they get the COVID-19 vaccine is there is a 15-minute observation period. So this is something that is happening and it will be happening at the fairgrounds. That's why we're having to set things up differently.
Corson wants to remind the public who are concerned about possible side effects to do some research online before getting it.
Only noted contraindication to this vaccine at this time is an allergic, if you have an allergy to what is actually in the vaccine or a component to the vaccine. And to know that, you can go online and you can see whether it's the Pfizer or the Moderna, what are the ingredients.
And the health department is working on launching more vaccination education awareness by teaming up with several community groups and already have people on the ground. Again, if you'd like to see if you qualify for the COVID-19 vaccine or to find the closest vaccination site, you can do that by going to the Kern County Public Health Department's website. In Bakersfield, Leslie Gooden, 23 BC News, connecting you.